Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make a Discord server on mobile. So if you want to create your own Discord server and then add a channel to it where you can easily communicate with your members, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make a Discord server on your phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Discord application. Now, once you open the Discord application, this is probably what you're going to see, the Discord page. Then the next one to do is locate and click on this plus icon. Then you should say create your server. Then you can see start from a template if you have a template you want to choose. Here, maybe it's a gaming server, school club, study group, friends, artist and creator, and local server. Just select it here. Otherwise, go ahead and click on create my own. Then once you click on create my own, you say tell us more about your server. So the Discord server here could be for me and my friends, and it could be for a community or club. Then select the type of Discord server you want to create. Here I'm gonna go for me and my friends. Then come here and give your Discord server a name. Then once you give it a name, go ahead and click on create server or click on upload to upload your Discord server PFP, which is the profile picture. So just go ahead, select the PFP for your Discord server, then upload it, and then go ahead and click on create server. Once you hit the create server, just hang on, and then you should say add some people. You can share your link or send invite. Once you send the invite, go ahead and click on done. You just need to send your first message. Then the next thing is you want to go ahead, invite your friends while setting up your server, and then click on invite your friends. Then come here, search for your friend's name, or if you have sent invite before, you're going to see the person you send the invite to here, and then you're good to go. Then if you come back to the home page, then you should see your Discord server name. Then go ahead and click on the Discord server, and then you're going to have access to the Discord server here. Then you can now go ahead, create channel, create category, and then create event on the Discord server. So that is basically how to make a Discord server on mobile. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.